Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to add a shortcut for Google Chrome onto your desktop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to go and do because you can simply go and double click on the shortcut and be taken straight to Chrome, so it's really convenient. So to go and do this, you first of all need to come to the bottom of your computer. There you can go and click on search, and what you need to do is go and type in Google Chrome like this. It should be suggested to you. You can then right click on it and you want to go and click on open file location. This will take you to a shortcut, and so then what you can do is go and right click on Google Chrome and you can go and click copy. You've now copied this shortcut, and we can then come into our desktop and right click and click on paste, and like that you've added the shortcut to your desktop. Double click on it and Chrome will go and open.